Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Workspace on the Apple Vision Pro. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, we need just to create a workspace in Apple Vision Pro. And any applications or the group of applications that you are opening on your Apple Vision Pro is what's called workspace. So to open apps on Vision Pro or create workspace, you will need either to click on the digital crown to open the home view. So basically, this is the digital crown, this little button here. And after you click on the digital crown, you will start having the home view where you can start choosing from your applications and you can start opening your applications. Otherwise, if you don't know how to use the digital crown, you can still also opening the buttons or opening the apps on the Apple Vision Pro by focusing on the top of the screen. So if you focus on the top of screen, you will see this icon. If you see this icon, you tap on it and you will have the control center. Here you can choose apps. By choosing these apps, you will have the home view that will appear on your screen. And after you choose any app that you want, you will have it displayed as folder. Now, to use your uh, spacework or workspace, you can start to move and resize the apps to create a workspace. So basically, to resize an app, you will need just to look and focus on this line here, and you can start pinch and drag the page from place to place, or you can start resize them by going up and down. If you want to close any applications or from your workspace, you will need to focus on these dots next of this line. If you focus here, you will have this X icon that will appear. You tap on it and you will have your application or your window that you want to close that will be closed. And this is how you can manipulate your uh, workspace. And of course, if you want to recenter your workspace while moving and you want to readjust your windows, you will need just to go to any direction that you want, and then you can recenter your workspace by pressing and holding the digital crown. And again, digital crown is this button on the top of your Apple Vision Pro. So basically, this is how you can use your workspace. Thank you for watching and see you next time.